Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I very clearly have a cold, so I appreciate your patience with my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Actually, I won't delete these lines out, but I'm just going to use both these lines for near-term levels because, you know, where they stand right now, sure, they're relevant. They're just not, they just don't really pertain to the current situation. So first, we'll just start with the area of resistance, and nothing complicated behind this other than the fact that on a couple of different instances today, the party stopped up there at the $1.33 mark. So $1.33 will be public enemy number one going into next week. Good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, it's not like the price has to travel a great distance before it can start to do battle with that $1.33 mark. So that's definitely within striking distance going into next week. Once more, assuming there's no gap downs on Monday or anything like that. So we'll see if the price can push up through there. As far as areas of support are concerned, the ideal level of support, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.22. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.22, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.22 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls would be, the bulls are fully in control of the chart. So all in all, great movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question to see if the bulls can carry on this momentum into next week or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.